Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Asetek 645LT 92mm all-in-one water cooler. Now this is a revision and a replacement for the 545LT all-in-one. For this installation we've got the Cryonaut thermal grease, 92mm grill so we can keep our power cables free and clear of the radiator fan, AM4 mounting kit, and lastly we may get creative with some 20 by 40mm fans to try to keep our VRMs and SSD cool. Let's get to it. Alright, before we take out our Noctua air cooler, let's go over some changes the 645LT brings over the previous 545LC. First off, this is using the newer Gen 6 pump. There's noise reduction foam in the cap, and now there are 90-degree angle bends on the hex, and the tubes are slightly longer, although remain non-sleeved. The 645 is going to be available for purchase from Overclockers UK as well as SFF Labs. Let's talk about the installation process. Despite the revisions over the 545, this thing was a pain to install. The hardest part was finding the power supply cables, specifically the 24-pin motherboard cable. I do wonder if it would have been easier with flat, non-sleeved cables. After multiple rotation adjustments to the mounting bracket on the CPU and finessing the sleeved PSU cables, I was able to get it installed. I was also able to securely mount the two smaller fans with strategic placement of 3M double-sided tape. Pump noise is minimal and CPU temperatures are greatly improved. Before, with the Noctua, I could see temperatures of about 93 degrees under stress testing, and now I'm seeing a high of about 66 degrees. This is with a room temperature of about 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. I'd recommend this upgrade if you want to increase your overclocking headroom or just want to see a dramatic decrease in CPU temperatures. However, you want to be mindful of the lack of airflow on the area surrounding the CPU, as well as be willing to separate with another $100 and whatever you end up donating to the swear jar during installation. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Thanks. See you next time.